Not all personal brands are the same. There are different types, and it's very important to know which one you're building. That will save you a lot of confusion on how you show up, what you post, and who you're trying to reach. So I'm going to break down the top 4 different types of personal brands just so that you can make a decisive choice. This is day 3 of helping you build an intentional personal brand. And the first personal brand is the expert brand. As an expert brand, you have deep knowledge in one specific area, and you use your content to teach, advise, and solve specific problems in your area of expertise. And people will follow you to learn from someone who they know have done the work and know exactly what they're talking about. And an example of this is our marketing OG, Trisha Bees herself, and she's a marketing expert, and she puts out content every single day teaching us one thing about marketing. The next one is the entrepreneur brand. As an entrepreneur brand, you're known for how you're building and running your business, and you post about your philosophy, your process, your results, your lessons, and everything in between. And people follow you because the way you do your business, the way you run your business inspires them, and they learn from you. And an example of this is Ife of Dang. And even though I know Ife is a community leader, she's not just an entrepreneur brand, she also adds that to her brand, and that makes it really fantastic. The third brand type is the thought leader brand. You are known for your ideas, your opinions, your perspectives, and you shape conversations in your industry. People follow you because you make them see things differently and think differently. And a great example of this is Niger Brand Chick. She's a thought leader in the business, retail, and SME space, and she's doing amazing. And the fourth one is the lifestyle brand. And for this brand, you are known for how you live. You share your faith, your values, your journey, your story, your family, and everything in between. The life that you're building is the brand, and people follow you because they admire you and they love you and they just like what you have going on. And a great example of this is Nello KK, doing really amazing as a lifestyle brand. A lot of women are a combination of 2 or more of these brand types, and that is perfectly okay. You don't have to stick to one and hold on to it. So what you can do, you can pick one that will be your primary brand type and then have another one as your secondary brand type. But you need to make sure that your primary brand type is the one that is most natural to you, the most aligned with your goal, and the most relevant to the person that you're trying to reach. So your push today is to go through this video again and write down the brand type that you would want to be your primary brand type and your secondary brand type. Let me know which ones feel the most like you, which one comes natural to you, which one you like to use as your primary brand type and your secondary brand type. Remember that the secondary is always optional. You don't have to go with more than one, but if you want to, that's still okay. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you tomorrow. Remember, you've got this, I've got you, and God's got us. See you tomorrow.